Welcome back everyone, I'm MAGNA-ABBY, and today we're going to show you 3 viral MAGNA-TILES builds that we've been seeing all over social media recently. We have 3 amazing creators and their families with us today to show you how to set up these activities at home. First up, we're going to hear from Christy from Learn and Play Strong. What activity do you have planned for us today?
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy game to get your kids moving indoors with a MAGNA-TILES Stair Ball Toss. It is a great way to practice hand-eye coordination and burn off some energy too. So let's head to the stairs and see how it works.
That looks so fun! That's a great indoor activity for an active kiddo on a rainy day. Thank you so much for sharing, Christy. Now let's hear from Whitney from Sippy Cups and Sarcasm. What MAGNA-TILES activity do you have planned for us today?
Hi MAGNA-TILES! Today I'm going to show you how we use our MAGNA-TILES collection in order to create a really fun indoor bowling activity. This activity is perfect for the weather that just won't cooperate. You're going to take 2 light colored tiles and pop them together just like this in a right angle.
That's fantastic, Whitney. This is a perfect activity for kids that love to knock down their MAGNA-TILES builds. Incorporating counting or addition is a great way to extend playtime and learning too. Lastly, we're going to hear from Nicole at our Play-Inspired Journey. What viral MAGNA-TILES activity do you have for us today?
Hey there, my kids love trying new MAGNA-TILES setups, and this coin drop is a really easy one teaching cause and effect, and it's super easy to set up and a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy it.
Cool! I can see why these 3 MAGNA-TILES activities have been going viral. I can't wait to try them all out. If you try any of these activities at home, tag MAGNA-TILES so we can join in on the fun.